So basically we will start off with two canvases, then we will import the image into the first canvas. Next we will delete the background with the magic wand tool and copy it to the second canvas. After that we will add the grayscale effect to the second canvas and then the bitmap effect to the second canvas. Then we will transfer the image on the second canvas and overlay it with the image on the first canvas. Next we will rescale it to our liking, then add a green gradient map and glow effect. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start by creating two new canvases, then I'm going to import the image into the first canvas, hide the background, and right click and rasterize the layer. After I'm going to get the magic wand tool and delete the background. If your background is more complex, you can use the polygon lasso tool to cut it out. Next, I drag and drop the image into the second canvas. After, I delete the background layer, then go to image at the top, then mode, and then grayscale. Then I go back up to image, mode, and then bitmap. Right here, I'm going to quickly show you that the number you use for your output affects how pixelated your image is going to turn out. The lower the number, the less detail. The higher the number, the more detail. If you've added the bitmap effect but you're not happy with it, you could just press Ctrl Z to undo and try again. For this video, I'm going to use an output of 200. Once you're happy with your bitmap effect, you can go back up to image and click grayscale again. Now right click your layer and duplicate it. Now drag and drop the copy into your first canvas and resize it so it matches the first image. After that, we're going to delete the background again with the magic wand tool. Next, you can resize both of the images to your preference. After that, play around with the overlay styles and figure out what looks best depending on your specific picture. Next, we're going to click the half and half circle at the bottom and select gradient map. We're going to set a custom gradient that will be 2 shades of green. After that, you could play around more with the overlay styles and add curves and hue and saturation to really post-process it. Also, by right-clicking your image and going to blending options, you can find outer glow in the settings and set an outer glow for the effect as well. But that's pretty much the effect. Thanks for watching.